Cattle and corn made gains midweek, while soybeans posted some losses. AgDay's Michelle Rook is back with more on where things could be heading next in Markets Now.
Corn and hogs ended higher on Wednesday with soybeans lower, and Mike Miner is back to kind of dissect all this. And Mike, let's talk about the corn market. Actually went to the plus side. Was that all fun buying, you think?
A decent amount. I think we've seen really choppy trade out of the corn market anyways, having to make a decision around this $5 area. But I think the funds have been piling in here for quite some time, probably since last summer. We've seen improved fundamentals since then, but on days like today, days like yesterday, I would feel like fund money flow is finding its way into commodities, especially with good balance sheets. So corn makes sense.
Soybeans went the other direction in a big way. So are we starting to see some South American harvest and hedge pressure?
I would sure think so. At first, I feel like the South American harvest wasn't being fully appreciated in the marketplace because, one, remember we had a pretty late start to planting to begin with there, and we've got a bigger crop, higher moisture. We had some quality problems to start off with, some halted shipments into China, for example, right away for their export market. So seeing a little bit of a slow pace to harvest at the beginning made sense for where their planning was. And now I think, as they're over that 25% harvested hump, now we're kind of getting into the point where we're really going to start to see U.S. basis levels trickle lower, which we've seen over the past few weeks, and see more exports out of South America.
And hogs are kind of the bright spot, some new highs here being scored. And is that fundamentally being pushed, or are the funds driving that one too?
No, absolutely. I think it's mainly fundamentals at this point. You've kind of got all cylinders running right now on the hogs. I mean, demand has been fantastic. Cash, you're not getting yourself in trouble at all. I think just from a fundamental perspective, you couldn't ask for much more out of this hog market. So we'll see. I've got a few troubles fundamentally when I start digesting or dissecting some of the cutouts and where those primals are. There might be some things to look at going forward to see, can we really run?
Thanks so much for your analysis, Mike Miner with Professional Ag Marketing. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.